Already, my people, let's get this TV mounted. So this is not a drywall. It's kind of like a wood, some kind of wood. So finding the stud here will not be easy, but I think I know a way to find it. So let's try to get it mounted. So to find the stud, I believe there's a stud here and there's another one here. So if you measure, so here's a few ways that you could find the stud without any tool. All right, so let me see if you can see this. So there's not a lot of light here, so I don't know if you can see the little nail. And if you go down, you will see the next one right there. So those are basically, I think it should be where the studs are. Then you want to measure from here 16 inches to the right or 16 inches to the left, depending on where you want the TV to be. So if you see this nail here, that nail right there, so if you go 16 inches to the right, you will start seeing another nail here, another nail there. So that tells me that there's a stud right here and there's a stud right here. And this also makes sense that there will be a stud here, because this outlet will need a stud to be nailed in. So that gives me a lot more confidence that there is going to be a stud here and there will be a stud here. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what it looks like. All right, that feels pretty strong. Feels really strong. So that's where the stud is. And I think here too, there's going to be a stud here. Feels really strong. Feels really strong. So definitely studs right there. So now I want to put this here. All right, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty level right there, but I'm gonna have to use all right, let me just do another pilot hole here. All right, that looks pretty strong there. So all right. Ooh. All right, and if you can see here, you can see the stud in there. So I am pretty confident that there's a stud there. So all right, this is good to go. I'm going to put this back here. And I'm going to use a regular screw to mount this. All right. So this goes here. Right here. All right. Uh-oh. All right, I did not. So I went like this and thought that was enough. So I need a washer. So good thing that I have this box. I always have washers here. So all right, I'm gonna take as much as I could and use what I need. So that's one washer right there. This is perfect. All right, let's go in. All right, that looks like it is in. Then the next one, I need another washer. Let's get a fat one, a fat washer. That's perfect. All right, let's go ahead and drill it in. Here you go in, and now let's go ahead and level it. All right, we are a little bit, ooh, close one. We are a little bit out. Interesting, we're really out. All right. Here we go. Yep, that's good. Let me reduce the torque on that drill. So this is a little bit out. Oh no, that's not good. This is not good. So I need too much torque. I made a big mistake right here. All right. All right, so now this goes in first. All right, here we go. All right, so now, so that's a little bit off. Keep going. Yep, that's perfect right there. All right, that looks pretty good. That's nice and level right there. Perfect. So now let's go ahead and drive the rest of this in. Let's get a nice fat one here. Yeah, that works. All right, alrighty. All right, we look good. So now I'm going to remove this, move it where it should be. All right, and now we are ready to install the TV. Luckily, this is a very light TV, so we are more than good here. All right, so that's pretty good right there. All right, I'm gonna plug it in. All right, it's plugged in. I can go ahead and all right, so now this is magnetic. I can just go ahead and stick it in some kind of mirror there, if I can find one. Yep, I put it out. Yeah, here we go. All right, so that's over here. All right, that looks pretty good. Unfortunately, I do not have the remote controller, but this looks really good, although it's a little bit off-centered here. I was told to mount it closer to this. Oh yeah, she wants to put some kind of design here. But yeah, that's what I was told to do. But I think we can move it a little bit there, maybe 2 inches. That will not center it, but hey, looks good. Let's go. I think she wants to put these guys here. She wants to put these guys here for like flowers and decorations. So that's why she wants it like this. But this is good to go.